Hi everyone, welcome to Nocai A1 lab room. This is coming from Nocai, the small format UV printer manufacturer in Guangzhou, China. And we have been in this UV printer field for over 13 years. Today I'm going to show you one of our hottest sale 60x90 UV printer. NC UV0609XIII UV printer, about its parameters, features, and about what kind of the products it will be able to print on this one, about the advantages for this machine. Now let's go to the machine. Here you go. It's really the beauty when you look at it. Actually, some customers said that it's not exactly like the Chinese machine. They are 50% correct. Why? Because the design was made by an Italian designer, and we modified it a little bit to have the final one. You know, the machine is our 5th generation 60x90 format UV printer, which launched in 2019. And this printer is with three ZAR print heads in 6090 format print, 6090 centimeter format print size. Someone is wondering what kind of the product it can print by this machine. The printer can print on some, not only for the flat materials, but also the special shape one, like the mug or the bottle. Let me show you some. For example, for this one, this is the notebook, this is the flat material, flat one, and for this water bottle, and this mug, the special shape one. The machine is with 3 pieces print heads. It can print it can print with the color white varnish at the same time, and for this print head is a little bit special because it will be able to give you the very high resolution printing, and can shoot you for some photo products requirements. Second, this printer can also print on the high distance products like the toy, like those ones. I will give you more details about these two features with the products later. Now let's go back to the printer. As you can see, the printer is covered with a very big cover. This one is very useful. First, it will have to protect the operator from any accidental injury when the printer is working and the car is moving. Some customer worries that once the car is moving left and right in very high speed, the operator's hands or somebody will be hurt. With this cover, it's okay. And as you can see, there's the operating cover here. This one is used to prevent the UV light from the UV lamp from hurting the eyes of the operator. I cannot open the cover of the machine, but for this printer, we use the little screw for the table movement on the y-axis direction in this direction. Why? because since many customers said that most of the printer, most of the such small format UV printer, the 60 by 90 or the 40 by 60 ones, always use the belt move system, which means they use one belt for the y-axis direction movement. But in this machine, we use the ZAR printhead. You know the ZAR printhead will be able to reach a very high resolution, and the belt movement system might not be able to match its capability, which means if you want to have the very high accurate printing, very high resolution printing, not only you need to use the very good printhead, also you need to use the very good system to match with it, and the little screw will be able to help to achieve it. Let me show you the panboard. When you check the panboard, you will be able to see there has some parameters. They have some parameters here. One of them is the humidity. One of them is the temperature. In that case, the printhead boards will be able to tell you if the environment in this room or in any other room is suitable for the UV printer to print or not. You know the UV ink will be affected by many factors, especially the temperature and humidity in the room. If the temperature is too high or too low, the printing will be floating. Now let me show you how to print something by the printer. Of course, first we need to do the setup. And there's one point very important for the print height of the printer. It need to keep about 2 to 3 millimeter from the printhead surface to the printing material surface. It's a 2 to 3. Maybe you have no ideas. 2 to 3 millimeter thickness is about this one. The thickness of a coin. You need to put the printing products on the table on the ready position. As you see, we've already put the printing materials here. Today I'm going to show you how to print on the glass. You need to put the glass on the correct position to match with the position in the printing software. Second, set up the print height as I show you. Just remember the thickness of a coin, 2 to 3 millimeter. And second, to the setup in the software. Of course, I cannot show you the software setup here, and I also deleted some process setup here, and we will show you later by videos about the whole process. You can ask our people. Now let's get it printing. Bye. Oh, some customers just some friends just send messages. Wait, it's now. Now the color is do some flushing before print. We need to flush out the waste ink on the surface of the print head. And this is the UV light which I mentioned before. Even though it's not very strong because because the structure of the UV lamp. But still we want to test the operator's eyes like this. When you look at it this way, totally safe. Let it print it for a while. There's many questions. Okay, I got two questions from some customers. Wait for a moment. The first two questions. The first one is, what purpose the customer choose this printer for? Let me give the answer for this question later, because I want to show you what kind of the products that it can print by this printer first, and then we will give a then we will be able to give the better answer for this question. As I show you, the printer will be able to print many kind of the products, no matter the flat ones or the cylinder ones or some special part like the mug and the bottle. We can divide them into 8 categories. Let me show you. First one, the toy products, because of the strong inkjet force, it will be able to print on the uneven surface. You see, we no need to print on the whole surface of the toy or any other uneven surface products. Just need to print on part of them. We can still do it. Second, the gift products. Third, the stationery products like the pens and the notebook, very famous. And the fifth, the bottle, no matter the cylinder one or the cone bottle. Also, this category also includes the mug. And the sixth, the cosmetic products. These ones. And the sixth, the electronic products. Like this. Seventh, the suitcase and the bags. Of course, when you print on such products, you might need to use some jigs to help you. And the last, also the eighth one, is the daily use articles. For example, for the toothbrush or even the lunch boxes. They are just one remember. We can print on most of them, but there also have some special ones we will not be able to print, like some kind of the PP materials or the silicone materials. For the PP materials, some of our customers have the special treatment for them, and we have some kind of solution. If you have the requirements, you can contact with us, and maybe we can do some help for you. But for the silicon materials, we can print on them. However, it will be easy to peel off. It will not stay longer. For the silicon, we're still working on it. Maybe in the future we can have some improvement. Now let's go back to these two questions. Question 1: what purpose the customer choose this printer for? You know, for this question, we need to mention the two features of the print head. The ZAR print head. The ZAR print head will be able to reach a very high resolution, high accurate printing, which will meet some very strict printing requirements of some special customers, like the photo, the photo, or especially the wedding photo. This one. As for example, for this one, for this kind of the customers, of course they want to have some, they want to have the very good printing quality. In that case, this print head is okay to do it. We have some customers, as far as I know, we have some customers who bought our printer, this printer for the. For the electronic cigarette or the signage metal parts printing. Not only one piece for printing, but also several pieces. And as you know, the more higher requirements will give the customer better profit. And second, the print head is another feature of the print head. The ZAR print head has the capability to reach to 13 millimeter high drop distance printing, which will be able to print on some special products, as I showed you before. Like the toys. These kind of the products are the ones that the normal flat printer will not be able to do, but this one can do. That's why the customers choose this printer. And the second question. Question 2, how to print the mark or bottle on the printer? Of course, it cannot print directly because the shape of these products we cannot put on the table directly for printing, but we can use some special device to help us to do it, like this one. We call it mug chip. I will show you later once we finish the printing. Let me show you the printing. Now we are printing out some text, in very good quality with the thin format ones.
显多了。
Okay, there's a visitor gave another question about the speed. You know, this is the small format UV printer. Is the main point for this one is for the print quality, not the speed. So the speed will not fast. It's about 2 square meters per hour. Some visitors also ask about the price. I will ask our people to answer directly on the computer. I want to give the price here. The ink cost. We also for the price. Let me clarify it. For no matter the ink price or the printed price, we all have the prices in Alibaba system, so you can check it. As we see, as I mentioned before, for this printer has 3 pieces print heads, can print the color, white, the varnish. Of course, one of the most important feature of the UV printer is it can print with the embossing effect. Somebody also call it 3D effect. Let me show you what is the embossing effect or 3D effect. You see you see the concave and convex surface of this one. It's not the surface of this stone before. It's printed by the UV ink, and also the shiny part is the varnish. Some customers also wonder how to achieve the embossing effect or the 3D effect. It's quite easy. Of course, first you need to have some designer who will be able to design the picture, design the file in the PIs or some other software to have the spot color layer for it. And we will do the setup in the printing software to let the white ink to recognize the spot color layer part you created and print more and more inks on this part. So it will be able to print more and more inks to have the embossing effect. And for the whole process, we will have the video to show you as well. You can refer to our YouTube channel for more information. What is printhead of this machine? I've already mentioned before. You see, 3 pieces are printheads. The printing is almost finished, and check the messages. Let's wait when we finish, and I will show you how to do the setup for on the mount drift. If you have any question, you can feel free to ask. Since no more questions from the visitors, we still need to wait a few minutes. As I mentioned before, this kind of the small format UV printer is not for the speed purpose, but the quality purpose. This is our 5th generation A1 format UV printer. In 2009, we have our in 2012, we have our first small format UV printer, which is the 0406XIII printer. And in the beginning, we have the Epson DX5 printhead, and later we have a little bit bigger one, which is the A1 format. Our first generation A1 format UV printer with the DX5 printhead as well. After these years, based on the first generation A1 format UV printer, we keep do the upgrading on the printer. No, of course, for all the details. Now it's the fifth one. Here's another question. What format does the picture should be? As far as I know, almost all the formats of the file or pictures is okay. It's the JPG, PNG, and the PDF, TIF, all okay. But when you want to print with the embossing effect, the 3D effect, you better output the file in good quality, which is more than at least 300 dpi resolution, and output as the format into PDF. It's done. For the glass, we also have the function to print on the back side, but see from the front side, like the same as the acrylic. Next time, I will show you how to do it. Now let's go to the mug jig. First, of course, we need to we need to up the carriage beam. The print height of this printer is 15 centimeter. Okay, we are going to the maximum top. It's very easy to do. Just put the mug jig in this way and keep the edge. On the back side, it's connected with the main board directly. Put the bottle just like this. Let me show you the print head, because we mentioned the print head many times. This is the Zara print head. We have three ones on it: color, white, varnish. Okay, guys, if you have thanks for your watching. If you have more questions, you can feel free to connect with our people, or you connect with us directly, or you can send an inquiry on Alibaba. Thanks for your watching. See you.